Okay. Now today is the third day of day 3 of 7 days of manifestation. Right? So what was the day 1? Day 1 is decide what to manifest. Day 2 visualization, and day 3 is affirmations. Okay. Now what is that? From the childhood we have taken lot of things inputs. As you know, subconscious mind, conscious mind, and five senses. So out of these five senses, ear and eye is the most powerful sense, and this is two way of communication also to the universe. Now what you see with the five senses is comes to the conscious mind and command to the subconscious mind, it stores in the subconscious mind. Now you get energized with that, whatever from outside you are taken, and you reflect to the universe through this. That's why I told two-way communication. Out of this, five senses, your ear and eye is the most powerful sense. That's why when we say affirmations, affirmation is the self-talk. Whatever you are speaking to the universe, whatever you are speaking, it's your self-talk, and it is getting energized yourself, because your one ear is also listening. When you speak, your ear is also listening, one sense is listening, again reconditioning your subconscious mind, right? So anything you speak, that is happening with you. Now when you are saying something, complaining something, that is also you are getting. Affirmation is that self-talk, but a structured self-talk. What is that structured self-talk? Now you have decided what you want in the life, right? You have visualized, that means you have shown your mind's eye what you want to get. Now affirmation to related to this visualization, you are creating an affirmation. For example, I'm getting a good job. You have made कि decide, you are deciding कि मेरा ये study खत्म होने बाद after my education I am going to get this kind of job. I'm planning for this kind of job. Now when you give a command to the universe, you visualize which kind of job you are going to get. Now you need to create affirmation where your eye and ear can get the input to the subconscious mind to restructure, recondition the subconscious mind for your desire. Now also you are, it's the same thing you are saying, same thing, same way you are working now also, but this is subconsciously. That means from the childhood, whatever your conscious mind has taken, whatever from the surrounding it has taken, it has stored in the subconscious mind. Now any instant things comes, your immediate reaction is not conscious, it is subconscious, what was stored in the mind subconscious from the childhood and from the past, that is reacting with the situation now you are seeing immediately, right? Now what is affirmation we are making? Instead of reacting what was stored in the subconsciously, now this thank you universe, all that the 21 days 20 days which you are working out now and will be working another 10 days, is instead of I react to the world subconsciously whatever there, I am reacting to the world consciously, designed by me, what I want to get in the life, structured by me, what I want to make in the life, right? So when you create affirmation, and I say you need to write it, When you write it, your eye sees. And when you speak loudly, your ear listens. And your subconscious gets structure what you want in the life. Now, this all thank you universe is just going to a magical make, just going to make you a magical man. When I'm saying magical man, I saw a magic, a beautiful, very impossible magic in the YouTube I seen. The magician so beautiful trick way it is shown. It's just fraction of 5 minutes, 5 seconds. Now just think a magic man or magician showing a magic 5 minutes or 5 seconds. Just go through his life to show that 5 minutes magic. He had worked persistently, consistently since the years back. After years of practice, consistent practice, has made today him so beautiful magician is showing magic within a seconds to you, and you see that seconds magic. This is also same way the thank you universe is going to make you magic man for your desire. But what is required, the consciously you need to work out what you want to get in the life, the day 3 we are going, and persistently consistently whatever the tricks and everything I have given you in the past and in future also I'm going to give you, you need to work out desired way what you want to get in the life. Okay, thank you.